What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to set up the Holy Stone HS700 drone controller. So it's very simple, although it's very simple using the manual. However, I understand a lot of people don't read the manual, so let's get right into it. First, this is the controller. It's got grips on the bottom, a phone holder on the top, throttle on the left, lock and unlock button on the bottom right, left bottom right, auto land and auto takeoff, turn it on and off. This is to turn, and this is to return home. So let's get started. First, turned on, you're going to need 2 AA batteries. Then for the phone stand, you're going to want to pull this up, just like so. Then you're going to want to pull this all the way up, like this. Like that. Sorry, I just pressed a button. So now your controller should look something like this. This little pad right here, you're going to move down like so. Then you're going to move this up and your phone right on to the pad. So now let's get started on how to use the grips. The grips are quite simple. You want to move this down and this down for the hand grips. Now I'm going to show you how to connect to the drone's Wi-Fi. Okay, so when you go here, you're going to want to go to settings, click on Wi-Fi. A network called Holy Stone will show up. You just got to wait a little bit. And it should be under other networks. There we go. Holy Stone. Okay, now we're going to go over to Ophelia Go, the app you need to install. And there we go. The camera is now set up, and we can go on, and I can show you here. This is the camera of the drone moving side to side. And that is how you set up the front part. Thank you for watching this quick video on how to set up the Holy Stone HS700 drone controller.